Still wasting hours on boring tasks? What if I told you there are 5 free AI tools that could literally save you over 10 hours this week? Imagine what you could do with that extra time. More sleep, more creativity, or even finally finishing that side hustle project. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the smartest ways to work less and achieve more. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools, all free, that can transform the way you work, study, and even create. Stick around until the end, because the last one is a total game changer. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is everything. These tools don't just save you time, they actually take away the boring, repetitive stuff so you can focus on things that matter. Let's jump right in. First up, ChatGPT, your AI assistant for writing and idea generation. Whether you're writing emails, brainstorming business ideas, or even scripting a YouTube video like this one, ChatGPT has your back. Just type in your request, and within seconds you'll get a well-structured, polished draft. No more staring at a blank screen, no more writer's block. I personally use ChatGPT daily to draft video outlines, summarize articles, and even come up with catchy headlines. If you haven't tried it yet, ChatGPT is free to use and will save you hours every week. Next up is Notion AI, the ultimate productivity booster. Think of it as your digital brain. You can organize tasks, manage projects, and keep all your notes in one place. What makes Notion AI special is that it doesn't just help you take notes. It helps you prioritize, summarize, and even generate action steps from your messy thoughts. Imagine writing a meeting note and instantly getting a bullet point action plan without lifting a finger. I recently used Notion AI to plan a content calendar. What used to take me 3 hours was done in 20 minutes. That's almost 3 hours saved from just one task. Now let's talk about Tome AI, your secret weapon for presentations. Whether you're in school, work, or pitching to investors, Tome can turn your raw ideas into beautifully designed slides within minutes. It generates layouts, images, and even text for your slides. Think about it. Instead of spending 4 hours designing slides on PowerPoint, you could have a polished presentation ready in under 10 minutes. That's like getting back half a day of your life. Tool number 4 is Runway AI, perfect for creators, marketers, and video editors. If you've ever spent hours cutting clips, removing backgrounds, or adding effects, Runway is going to blow your mind. You can remove backgrounds with one click, add professional-looking transitions, and even generate B-roll automatically. Normally, editing a short video might take 2 hours, but with Runway, you can do it in 20 minutes. That's a massive time saver for YouTubers and content creators. I used Runway to edit a 60-second Instagram reel. What used to take me an afternoon was literally finished during a coffee break. Finally, let's talk about Perplexity AI, a tool that's like ChatGPT but built specifically for research. Instead of just giving you answers, it provides sources, citations, and quick summaries. Within seconds, you'll get a clear, well-structured summary with links to the original sources. This is a lifesaver for students, researchers, or anyone who needs quick, reliable information without falling down a Google rabbit hole. So let's recap. We covered 5 free AI tools that can save you hours every single week. ChatGPT for writing, Notion AI for productivity, Tome AI for presentations, Runway AI for video editing, and Perplexity AI for research. Work smarter, not harder. If you start using even one of these tools today, you'll feel the difference immediately. Imagine what happens when you combine all 5. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more AI hacks and productivity tips. Which tool are you most excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.